Hi, I'm Evaldo Albuquerque, and today I want to talk to you about the stock market. And as of Friday, June 8th, you can see that stock market is the S&P 500 index is trading around 1315, and you can see that in this daily chart of the S&P 500, stocks had a good week. It rallied, the S&P 500 rallied from 1275 to around 1315. So this was a good week for stocks. But yesterday, Bernanke gave a testimony to the Congress, and he disappointed the market by not announcing QE3 or giving any hint that there is QE3 coming. As a result, yesterday stocks. Let me zoom in here, and I'll show you. Yesterday, stocks tried to rally above. Rally towards the previous high at 1335, but the stock market was not able to sustain those gains, essentially because Bernanke disappointed the market by not giving any hint of more QE3. So here's what I think is going to happen in the short term. If you look at what happened with the S&P last year, you can see that after the big drop in the S&P 500, the stock market started to move sideways. So I think that's what's going to happen in the short term. I think it's very likely that the rallies in the S&P will stay limited to 1335. So it's very likely that the S&P 500 will at some point retest the previous low at 1270. If that happens, that will be a good point to bet on an improvement in sentiment if the S&P moves towards the previous low. In the forex market, you can do that by buying currencies such as the Mexican peso and the South African rand. So if the S&P 500 retests the previous low at 1270, I'll be looking to buy those currencies, the Mexican peso and the South African rand, because if the S&P 500 rebounds from that level, those currencies should rally. So make sure you keep an eye on the S&P 500. It can help you decide which currencies to buy and when to buy them. And that's all I have for today. And thanks for watching.